Hello everyone, and welcome to Plane Time. I'm Ben Coleman, your host for today, and we're coming to you live and in the clear from the studios here in Orlando, Florida, with the Florida Aviation Network, and it is a project of the National Aviation Safety Foundation. And this is a volunteer-run and organized event, if you will. If it wasn't for our volunteers, you would not be getting the benefit of this presentation. That being said, does anyone understand why we use the term in the clear, live and in the clear? A little education for you. In the old days, we used to give these presentations on behalf of the FAA and the Orlando FSDO, as a matter of fact, but it was to dedicated sites, and those dedicated sites were scrambled, on a scrambled signal. So if you didn't have the decoder, you couldn't receive the transmission. And this was satellite generated, so we're coming a long way. We're live and in the clear. Plane Time is actually it's an effort to accentuate the maintenance side of the aviation industry, and we all too often focus on just the operational aspects and the pilotage and the aeronautical decision making required to have a successful and safe flight. Maintenance is so valuable and critical, and unless you've had a mechanical problem, you probably don't really appreciate just how important the maintenance aspect is in this business. One of the ways to get this information across is through the FAA's FAST team, or FAA Safety Team program. And we are fortunate enough today to have one of the safety program managers, Mr. Bob Jex, here with us as a guest today.